Located in Nagapattinam district, the Keelvelur Assembly constituency has the lowest number of voters in Tamil Nadu. During the 2008 delimitation exercise, parts from the Nagapattinam, Vedaranyam and Thiruvarur constituencies were carved out to form Keelvelur as a scheduled caste reserve constituency. So far, the constituency has witnessed 3 elections. Of these, the Communist Party of India Marxist has won twice, while the DMK has won once. In Keelvelur, Adi Dravidas form the majority. Following them, Vanyas and Fisherfolk communities are present in significant numbers. Muslims and Christians also live here in considerable proportion. In the last election, Nage Mali of the CPM Marxist, contesting as part of the DMK-led alliance, won with 68,000 votes. He was followed by Ravanan of the PMK, who secured 51,000 votes, and Pon Ilavarati of the Nam Tamizhar party, who received 15,000 votes. In the upcoming election, if the seat is once again allotted to the CPM Marxist within the DMK alliance, it is expected that current MLA Nage Mali will be announced as the candidate. At the same time, several leaders from the DMK are also making moves for the ticket, including former Minister Madhivanan, AKS Vijayan, District Engineers Wing Organizer Senthil, and Keelvelur South Union Secretary Palaniyappan. Within the AIADMK, Thare Saravanan, Anbalagan, and Ilabarasan are keen on securing the ticket. The split within the AIADMK is seen as a disadvantage for the party and an advantage for the DMK alliance. As the PMK is currently functioning as 2 separate factions, it remains unclear who will be fielded as their candidate. The extent to which active Vijay's TVK may split votes is difficult to predict in this constituency. As of now, the DMK-led alliance appears to be slightly ahead in the Keelvelur constituency. For more ground-level election stories from every constituency, subscribe to File in Media.